Life is just to make the best of it. With flesh shall melt away like butter against sun. So my point is, life is so short. When me hear now abuse me, I say, one of them people I know say my pitney dead out of cancer within 10 months. She just melt away like butter against sun. Only if these people know say, may I live for me and my daughter. Every minute, every second. I just said to my husband earlier and said, do it. Let me tell you with me. You see, if I'm wake up and have energy, and I can move around and something, I don't want a minute for pass and I don't make the best of it. I don't want to hold no grudge. I don't want to have up no body fever for a second. I want to tell them about no. Love me! Ah! He said, I done that. But come back and put it on your shoulder and say, darling, life short, baby, life short. May I talk right now and to me look with me, I don't want ball. I say, me and Coolie Bashman I did the same time and the man and Coolie Bashman I say, no, I say 2 weeks. I say, I don't even want to talk about it. 2 weeks. And the man I deteriorate 2 weeks, you know. So you see, so my daughter live for 10 months. I'm telling her something. You saw she live for 10 months on my birthday, she was sick. For my birthday, you know. My 51 birthday. My daughter takes sick with cancer. And she lasted 10 months. I mean, that joke long and bad, you know, but you know, I live off our memories and try to be strong for her. Because it was a time when she did get for baptized, right? When she warm me out her mother, so that kind of lift me up. But yes, when I said the man just sick for 2 weeks, and the man dead. Listen, man, when I look for all of my enemy, them and friend them, trust me. Everybody look for life different, you know, but you see that? Me look for like 2 something that me have in my catalog, you know. Yeah, man. 3 something. Remember one girl where her father dead. I'm going to the funeral. And the way she hold on for me a ball. I said, you know where the girl go on for me a ball, so. You know why the girl cried? Our daddy died and her dad didn't speak. Sorry, when our dad was speaking to her, she played difficult and stupid and did not speak to the dad. So when the papa dead, so me said that, pardon, that happened to the girl. Then the man dead on the toilet. Then my daughter dead when she had 33 in my hand. Me, I appreciate life myself. I can't come over here. All of me tired. All of me ear look like the Grinch. I come talk to her. You understand? Because if God forbid it, me wake tomorrow morning and I say, no, say Queenie left on the life, I give joke or something. Because no one know the next minutes. So she sometimes me son abuse me. I say, don't mind only, you know. I'm just glad me have life and health and strength, you know. All my son have fight me there with my husband. I now look for you know. Only want me to do the same sweet serve my husband the same thing with him serve me. That don't make no last sense. I mean, a queen. Me, I the fucking queen in the deck. Me reign. And me bring my husband out. So what can I tell me? Say, if I left my husband and help this him back like him this man, I must say this bad either. Me show you say me a big man. You hear that? That's a big man thing. I stand up in my shame and my disgrace. I stand up tall and firm. None of you care about me. I say, huh? So get on now. None of you care about me. I don't know talk. You have to look for me as a perfect, strong, black wife. Me. Strong enough? To the woman, so she named Sandra Bola. Well, lady name again, coming and sitting on the box. Well, lady name. Anyway, the lady said, actually, I said, Queenie, I watch and do it. Queenie, I think that I'm mad out and I say, lady, me say crazy, me can't mad. Crazy never lazy. You know, like me, I work and say that. So me for reach crazy and then go back and mad. One shit now do me. But I'm just nice. I want to make that nice. Me just look better and good. No, me not like. Me nice, you know. Me love Queenie. Me no business with you know. Life is very short. It's the last week Friday. I'm telling her come show some people some love. And I think I joke thing this thing, you know. When I saw the world around. The amount of things, technical things will happen in this world where them take the so much the experiment on people. God help you for surviving. I'm part to you, man. So, as the lady told me today that she didn't make a spam, I asked her to explain the difference. She said the spam is a thicker spam. You little piss of tea a lot will make us. Father God alone know what this world will come to. It's because me know. Me not as long as wait pan nothing more than what I see. I make the best of it. So I might think my straight upon the pan, but me not straight. Eat the last year, Mr. Man. Jesus. Boy, I say I have some family and some people running with them and nine, you know. But you cannot choose your family. Will make us. Father God alone know what this world will come to. It's because me know. Me not as long as wait pan nothing more than what I see. I make the best of it. So I might think my straight upon the pan, but me not straight. Eat the last year, Mr. Man. Jesus. Boy, I say I have some family and some people running with them and nine, you know. But you cannot choose your family, so you still have to accept them. Point is now. Me now as a bigger man, when I have, as I said, I've got 98% and I will not deny myself to accept more than 2% worth of enemies. So out of 100, can I get 90? Good love I get from money, you know? Unless I'm look good. Make me have the reason now. Me, I got 52 and 3/4 year, woman. I'm going to sit down here so now, how much honor did that? Run 800. I don't even know if I lie, I tell her 88. How can I look a bit of people that are 6 people? No. 68. I don't even know what I'm saying about. Whatever people up there, I know it's around 300 that add something. Friday, I come and I say, on a company live, show some love and forgive somebody. Because it is very, very, very important, forgiveness. It's so light and relaxing. It doesn't mean forgiving someone mean you're going to make them buy a slice of bread or they have to give you a cup of tea. But you know, sometimes we art every down where we can't just let it go and just move on and say, Queenie did rude to me, but I'm forgive Queenie. No, Queenie shouldn't do that to me. Why should do that? Who the friend some love with you, Lord? Cause I'm lovely. And you know, I see people are drop sleeping at them bed and wake up and all kind. Just show some love and be love. Love nice, you know. Love nice. When the world gone dark, all of the light them gone, they just light them to yourself. That's priceless. You have to have self-comfort, self-love. Because so much is going on in the world, they don't know who to trust. It's not lie. You just have to live. You get up and you see somebody, you idolize them and love them and say, boy, you know somebody I got walk to the last pint. And by you look at somebody say, oh, me never want she for a friend and she take me for friend. Yeah, it's a crazy world. You just never know. And then you have some good little friend too. I have a little friend them and you know appreciate them. Me not do that. Anybody around me, I appreciate them. Before see them, so I show them too long. You see for me, I fit you see me. Yeah. And go down wherever you go, I'm gonna say it's a Queenie. That's a Queenie nice, you know. Queenie cussy and nice when things go wrong. But you see, oh God, me not like the eyelash, I'm afraid of them. Jesus Christ. Me not like how them OCD, you know. At all age do that. Because really as a fact, I'm satisfied with the look that I had this morning. But I got my face done from like 8 o'clock. And it was all right. It's when I see the rain and fall and I see the little something goes to me. I say, oh God, why every time I say I not put on back the makeup, I put on makeup. But here me now, can remember you're a celebrity and so you have to have that look there, you know, that look up. But John was star. A 9. But me I went down to Birmingham tonight. And the one when I come, oh my husband there with the something so long. Shh. Is which one of you gone in the lobby to meet my husband? Hmm? Which one of you little girl? Go and do a quick park. Hey, the world dangerous and crazy, you know. You have to know. Or maybe I give a little shides. That's this. Queenie fool.
Hi, Queenie.
You see them nice, see?
Thank you.
I hear teeth them, I go buy them turkey.
Oh gosh.
Is that
So
your
I'm
teeth?
calling.
Is that
Huh?
your real teeth? Are your real teeth
Yes.
them?
Yeah.
Them nice, them nice.
Thank you.
Where you calling
I
from?
I'm calling from Clarendon, Milk River to be exact.
Milk River Lie.
Yes.
Mom, what you want? Your teeth are so nice. How your name?
Cheyenne.
China is Tush. That's
If I'm
Tush,
what?
girl. Tush.
No.
Yes.
Me
Yes, bloody hell.
I can be girly, I can be gangster. Yeah.
Yeah. But you have a reserve little
Yes.
combination. Yeah, man, read it out, man. Yeah, but that doesn't mean advice to us, you will, but it takes a lot.